For the next step, we'll skip item groups and touch menu item. Notice there are many options on this page. For this demonstration, I'm only going to use 4 essential pieces to create our new menu item: the menu item name field, the revenue class field, the price field, and the printer field. So again, simply touch the keyboard icon in the lower left. Type the name Wings. Next, touch Revenue Class. Next, touch Food. Select a unique price associated with this menu item. Select the checkbox. To enter a price, use the on-screen keyboard. I'll type in $6 for the price and touch OK to save. Next, select a location where this item will print. Each restaurant is set up a little differently, but for this demonstration, I'll select Kitchen and then touch OK to accept. Touch Save as New at the bottom of the screen. You will notice the menu item name has disappeared. This indicates that this has been saved correctly. Let's go back and check our work. Notice how we have the screen category Appetizers, and next to it we have Wings as the menu item assigned to it.